Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lincoln Continental in Forza Horizon 5. This classic American luxury car is quite rare, as it was a limited-time reward from a past festival playlist. Since it is not available in the regular auto show, your best bet for adding this beauty to your garage is through the in-game auction house. It requires a bit of patience and strategy, but it is definitely achievable. When navigating the auction house, speed is key. Use the advanced filter options to narrow your search specifically for the Lincoln Continental. Once you find a listing, be ready to act fast. Many rare cars are quickly bought out, so having enough credits and being decisive is crucial. Always check multiple listings to get a sense of the current market value, as prices can fluctuate significantly for these exclusive vehicles. While the auction house is your most consistent option, there are other avenues. The Lincoln Continental might reappear in a future festival playlist, so regularly checking the seasonal events is a good idea. Additionally, wheel spins and super wheel spins can randomly award cars, though the chances for a specific rare vehicle are quite low. Sometimes, friendly community members might also offer trades or gifts, so stay connected. Acquiring a rare car like the Lincoln Continental often requires a substantial amount of credits, sometimes millions. To build up your funds, focus on winning races and completing seasonal challenges. Selling cars you no longer need or duplicates from wheel spins in the auction house can also generate significant income. Consistent gameplay and smart selling will ensure you have the financial power to snag that dream car when it appears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.